This is the old refrigerator that Jeb and Elvira, the spooky pioneers, used. You see how it's got all these doors? And you put a 75-pound block of ice in the refrigerator to keep all of the food cold. And this is kind of a weird thing. Back in the old days, they didn't have very much food, and they didn't want the kids getting into it. So they actually put locks right here on the door so the kids couldn't get it. See how that handle works like that? And this is the big thing that they lifted up the ice with so they could grab it and put it inside the old refrigerator. See, they had everything locked up.